Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got the Elemis 25 Days of Skincare Wonders. I've already unboxed the 12-day Advent Calendar and this time it's the full one, the 25 day. It's still available on their website. You can purchase it for £225 and it has a value of £690. You'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites and my giveaway I've got currently running over on my Instagram page. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. The packaging is really beautiful as always. This is the first time I'm opening it up. What is this on the top? I don't know. Huh? Is it supposed to look like that? It must be. Can you see? It's very long. You just fold it out. Yeah, it must be. I prefer it like that for the unboxing, but I wonder if I can take this off. Might not look as pretty without the fan, but it's just easier for me to get to the boxes to show you. Right, day number 1, we got a Pro Collagen Marine Moisture Essence. It's a hydrating essence and there's 28 mils. Use it morning and evening after cleansing and toning, and you need to give it a good shake before you use it. Day number 2, over here. We've got a Frangipane Monoi shower cream, luxurious shower cream, and there's 50 mils. They had the body lotion in the 12-day Advent Calendar, which I unboxed on my channel last week. With that one, it's a John Lewis exclusive, so that's the only place you can get the 12-day one. It smells nice. It is really nice. So that'll definitely be used. Day number 3 over here, we got 2 items. We got a cloth and a cleansing balm. Cleansing balm, there's 20 grams here. The cleansing balms are beautiful. I really do love a lot of Elemis products. I just love the way it just melts on my skin. My skin feels so soft afterwards, and they smell nice too. Yeah, it smells really, really nice. And then to go with it, you have got a cleansing cloth here. Really nice soft cleansing cloth. It's a microfiber cleansing cloth. So there's those two. Day number 4, and we've got a superfood facial oil, hydrating facial oil, and there is 5 mils here. The superfood range is full of prebiotics and plant extracts to balance and give skin a healthy glow. So there's facial oil there. Day number 5. Oh, I love this. This is the Pro Collagen Toning Mist, replenishing and refining toner, and there's 30 mils there. So the Pro Collagen range is their iconic anti-aging line with marine actives to firm, smooth and target fine lines. It smells really nice. It's a very subtle smell. I'm already using it in the morning on my face before I apply any skincare throughout the day. It's a really nice mist. I really like that. Day number 6. And we've got another mist. I haven't tried this one. This is from the Superfood range. And this is a 4-in-1 facial mist. And there's 40 mils there. Look, it's green. What's it say about it? I've had a little look online, and this tones, primes and refreshes makeup is packed with antioxidants. It's from the Superfood range to protect and hydrate your skin. Wow, I wanted to spray it first to see how powerful that is. It is a powerful spray, but it's very fine. It feels really nice. Oh my gosh, that feels so nice. The first mist, the Pro Collagen one, I would use that before my skincare, or else this, I would apply it before makeup and throughout the day. So I've never tried that before, but I'm really happy about that. Day number 7, and we've got another superfood product. This is day cream. This is hydrating day cream, and there's 20 mils there. So again, packed with antioxidants to hydrate the skin. And then we've got day number 8 over here. Oh, Elemis are loving their superfoods. And this is a glow cleansing butter. A radiance boosting facial cleanser. And there is 20 mils there. It's a balm to oil multitasker that can be used on face, lips, any dry patches for instant softness. So it's particularly good for dry skin. Day number 9. We got another superfood product, and this is the Glow Priming Moisturiser. Illuminating Moisturiser, 20 mils. And I've tried this a few times. Nothing wrong with the actual moisturiser itself, but it is super glowy. If you love really, really glowy skin, and I do like glowy skin, but this is a little bit too much for me. I don't mind glowiness around here, but I don't want glowiness in the middle, so that's why I wouldn't wear a really glowy primer all over my face. It feels really nice. You know, it's hydrating, full of antioxidants, but hopefully you can pick that up there. It is quite glowy, like opaly sort of glow, you know? So it doesn't look too bad in this light, but I have tried it before and I've just found it a little bit too much for me. But it feels nice on my skin. Day number 10. Ooh, what is this? Mayfair number 9 Body Balm. Indulgent body moisturiser for body hydration, lavender, geranium and eucalyptus. It nourishes, comforts and restores. And there is 100 mils there. Do you know what? I don't think I've ever smelt this before. Elemis have really great, it's thick, really great offers on QVC. They feature bundles of their products a lot over on QVC. You do get the chance sometimes to choose the scent of body creams or body washes. And this is one I don't think I've ever gone for. Lavender, geranium and eucalyptus. So Mayfair number 9. Well, it feels lovely. Oh, the smell's nice as well. Yeah, you can definitely smell the eucalyptus in there, but it's not really strong. So yeah, so a body balm. Day number 11. Oh, I like this. This is Pro Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm. It's a hydrating cleansing balm, and again, 20 grams. So it's the same iconic cleansing balm, but in a fresh fig scent. It smells so nice. So it's nourishing, hydrating and uplifting. I bought a big one of these when it first came out, and yeah, no, I'm happy with that. So day number 12 down here, we've got dynamic resurfacing facial pads, skin refining pads. There's 14 in here. So these are pre-soaked pads with mild exfoliating actives to refine skin texture and even tone. Yeah, so full, already soaked. There's 14 of those in there. Day number 13. And we've got the Pro Collagen Rose Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Day Cream. And there's 15 mils there. So this is a softer rose-infused version of the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, but it still has the benefits of anti-aging, hydrating and soothing as well. And I'll be saving that for my mum. She absolutely loves the Pro Collagen Rose range. Day number 14. We've got a papaya enzyme peel. This is enzymatic cream exfoliator, and there is 15 mils there. It's a gentle cream exfoliator with papaya and pineapple enzymes to soothe skin without it being really harsh on the skin. So you apply it to the skin, leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes and then you rinse. Then day number 15 up here, we've got the Pro Collagen Night Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Night Cream, 15 mils. It's an overnight anti-aging cream that hydrates and supports skin repair all while you sleep. Day number 16. We got Superfood Midnight Facial. This is a nourishing sleep cream, so very similar to the Pro Collagen Night Cream. But although this will help with anti-aging, the marine collagen is more targeted for anti-aging and reducing fine lines and wrinkles, whilst this one is more about hydrating and restoring your skin while you sleep. Similar, but a bit different. Okay, day number 17. Down here. And we've got Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, Skin Energizing Cleanser, 30 ml. Goes really, really great with any of the cleansing balms, the Pro Collagen balms. It's a foaming gel cleanser that is full of marine actives to refresh, cleanse and energize your skin. I love that one. Day number 18. Down here. Oh, we've got another balm that I absolutely love. This is the Pro Collagen Black Cherry Cleansing Balm. It's a hydrating cleansing balm, and there is 20 grams there. Balm to oil cleanser The smells of cherries. It is really nice, really nice. As soon as this was released, I want to say this year, but you know what? It could be last year. I can't remember. I had to get it. So I save them for when I go away anywhere. Day number 19. Got Pro Collagen something. This is the Glow Boost Exfoliator, Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. And there is 15 mils. It's a gentle exfoliator with natural particles and contains fruit enzymes for radiance. You just massage it into your skin in circular motions and then you rinse off. There's that. Day number 20. Ooh, we've got a big one. I thought this might be day number 25. Where is 25, this one? We've got a huge Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is a hydrating day cream, 50 mils. This is a gorgeous cream. I've actually got this on my face now, but with SPF 30 in it. But it just leaves my face super soft and glowy and improves the look of suppleness, leaving complexion looking more radiant. And yeah, it does. It is such a beautiful cream. And this is my favourite product, I think. That and the cleansing balms of all of Elemis's products. It's just so good. So, so good. No, I was going to put that in day 25. It's not. I'm not there yet. Day number 21 up here. We've got a Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. It's a rejuvenating eye mask. And there's 4 mils. This is a cooling eye mask. It helps depuff, hydrate and reduce fine lines. I've been using this a lot recently. I took it to Cyprus with me and then I took it again to Skiathos when I went away for a few nights a couple of weeks ago. It's a really nice gel. I love the feeling of it on my eyes. So that's day number 21. Day number 22 over here. More Pro Collagen. And we've got the Overnight Matrix. It's a replenishing night cream. And it's 15 mils there. This is one of their newer night creams. It's to help stressed skin, sleep-deprived skin, and loss of firmness and moisture. And it has more of a lighter gel sort of formula. Whereas the Pro Collagen Moisturising Night Cream is the classic moisturiser. It's richer, it's more hydrating, works more so for anti-aging. So there's the difference between the two. Day 23. And we've got the Pro Collagen Vitality Eye Cream. And there is 4 mils here. So it's designed to lift and brighten and firm your under eyes. Now this is a little bit different to the mask. The mask is gel-like, but also even though I was using it frequently, it's not really designed for daily use. You can do, but this one is what's designed for daily use. So we've got the Vitality Eye Cream there. Day number 24. Oh, I couldn't get that out then. We've got Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. And this is a skin refining cleanser. And there is 30 mils. This is a gentle enzyme cleanser that encourages natural skin renewal for brighter, softer skin. Okay, last one, day number 25. And we have got a full-size Pro Collagen Future Restore Serum, Advanced Firming Complex, and there's 30 mils there. This serum is a bit special. It features a world-first marine discovery, Opal Skin Algae Complex. It targets the visible effects of collagen decline, improving skin's firmness of up to 46% in 4 days. This is new to me. I have got another little one in the 12-day Advent Calendar, but I cannot wait to give this a go. It sounds really, really good. And this size would cost you £115. Yeah, definitely a day 25 showstopper. Yeah, definitely. And there you go. Those are all the products inside the 25 days of Skincare Wonders Elemis Advent Calendar. I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you gone and bought one for yourself? Or are you watching this wondering whether you should get one or not? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.